The Rack Shop is proud to present this Chevrolet Bolt with the factory flush side rails. We've just installed the Yakima CoreBar SkyLine base rack system. So this is made up of the Yakima CoreBar, 50 inches in length. The more premium Jetstream bars are also available in a black or silver finish. The SkyLine towers, which come in a set of 4 and have a quick release feature. So locks are available separately and are recommended because of the quick release, but aren't required and are strictly just a security element. Connecting the tower bar combo to the vehicle is landing pad number 19. So all combined, that gives you a 165-pound weight carrying capacity, and your crossbars are going to be spaced at a fixed measurement of 28.5 inches center to center. So actually a great rack for carrying a wide variety of different gear, whether it's bikes, kayaks, and cargo. So anyways, that's a quick walk around for this vehicle. For more details, pictures, or to purchase this complete rack with a couple clicks, visit the link in the description below. And that's going to be it for this one. But like always, thanks for watching.